Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best bench pin is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any jeweler's or metalsmith's arsenal, providing a stable and secure surface for intricate work like sawing, filing, and soldering, ensuring precision and preventing damage to your delicate pieces. Number 5. Bench Anvil Basic Combo Kit SFC Tools, 13 to 136. Introducing the Bench Anvil Basic Combo Kit, your all-in-one solution for jewelry creation. This comprehensive set provides the fundamental tools you need to get started. It includes a ring mandrel featuring standard sizes from 1 to 15, ensuring accurate sizing for every project. Achieve perfect fits with ease. Work on 2 slotted wooden bench pins, offering a stable and versatile surface for various tasks. These provide a reliable foundation for your intricate work. A flat metal bench block is also included, perfect for hammering and shaping metal. Its durable surface is designed to withstand repeated impact. The kit features a robust bench mounting system topped with a flat anvil surface. This integrated design enhances stability and provides a convenient anvil for your metalworking needs. This basic combo kit equips you with the essential tools for jewelry making. It's designed for both beginners and experienced crafters looking for reliable equipment. What we like. This combo kit offers a comprehensive solution for ring work. It includes a ring mandrel for sizing and shaping, along with 2 wooden bench pins for versatile support. The integrated anvil surface adds extra functionality for hammering and flattening. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for basic ring making and repair, this is a great choice. What people say. The ring mandrel, and both pins, nice sturdy pins, all fit in their proper places. It did. I originally wanted a simple, $20, bench pin, so this is quite fancy for a hobby jeweler. One of the only available bench pins on Amazon that actually supports a 2-inch bench top. Construction, sturdiness of the metal bits, clamp and anvil, are unexpectedly good. Number 4. Newhai Jewelers Tool Set 13 PCS Ring Making Tool. Introducing the Newhai Jewelers Tool Set, your comprehensive solution for all your jewelry making and repair needs. This 13-piece kit has everything you need to get started. Crafted with premium materials, this set ensures durability and precision. The saw frame includes extra blades, and the bench pin features a secure steel clamp for stability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this kit is designed for ease of use. Tools are organized for efficient workflow, making your creative process smoother. Create stunning pieces with ease. It's perfect for polishing, repairing rings, and metal forming, allowing you to achieve professional quality results right at home. This versatile tool set is ideal for both professional jewelers and home hobbyists. It also makes a thoughtful gift for anyone passionate about crafting unique jewelry. Ensure a perfect fit every time with the included US-sized ring sizers and bangle gauges. They are designed for accurate measurements, essential for any ring project. What we like. This is a complete jewelry tool set designed for both beginners and professionals. It includes a wide array of tools for ring making, repairing, and polishing, all made from premium materials. If you are a hobbyist or a professional jeweler who needs a comprehensive kit with everything you need to get started or to expand your toolkit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The bench pin with a steel clamp. The diamond-plated needle files and sturdy bench pin clamp are durable. The ring sizers seem accurately designed in US sizes for precise measurements. Number 3. Bench Pin Clamp Set JZ-V1. Introducing a versatile bench pin clamp set, perfect for all your bench work, craft ideas, and jewelry making needs. It's ideal for drilling, sawing, filing, and finishing various materials with ease. Crafted from quality hardwood and featuring a robust steel clamp, this tool is built to last. The clamp offers a generous capacity of up to 40 mm, ensuring a secure grip on your materials. This clamp is perfect for securely holding metal, wood, or plastic pieces. It provides a stable platform, allowing for precise sawing and intricate work. With its V-slot design and integrated clamp, this bench pin can be quickly and easily mounted. Attach it to almost any workbench, desk, or table for a portable and convenient workspace. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this tool is indispensable for detailed work. Achieve perfect results on your projects with this essential addition to your toolkit. What we like. This bench pin features a novel V-slot design, making it ideal for a variety of bench work including drilling, sawing, and filing. It's constructed from durable hardwood with a steel clamp for secure attachment. If you need a reliable and versatile bench pin for detailed craft work on metal, wood, or plastic, this is a solid choice. What people say. The bench pin is made of durable steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Its U-shaped design provides excellent support for various jewelry making tasks, allowing for precise work. The pin fits securely into standard bench mounts, offering stability during use. Number 2. Bench Pin Clamp Set V-Slot Jewelry Tool. Introducing our V-Slot Bench Pin Clamp Set, your ideal companion for all your bench work, craft projects, and jewelry making needs. It's designed to be a staple in your tools workshop. This tool is perfect for your jewelry saw kit, securely holding metal, wood, or plastic. It makes sawing, drilling, filing, and finishing a variety of materials incredibly easy. Crafted from quality hardwood, this bench pin is built for durability. Its robust construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks. This deluxe clamp easily grips onto any bench edge up to 1/3-4 inches thick. You can rely on it to stay firmly in place while you work. It's designed for holding specific tools securely, making it indispensable for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Elevate your craftsmanship with this essential tool. What we like. This bench pin set is perfect for all types of bench work, from sawing to filing. It's made from durable hardwood and comes with a deluxe clamp that can easily grip most bench edges. If you are a professional or a hobbyist looking for a dependable and easy-to-use bench pin for your jewelry making or crafting projects, this one is a great fit. What people say. The clamp itself is very robust. The wood appears to be maple. As long as you avoid cutting into it, it should last for a long time. I attached mine to my workbench with the clamp it comes with. I found it not very secure and would move when pressure was applied. I added a 4-inch C clamp and now it's nice and secure to work with. Great quality for the price and a must-have for metal smithing. Number 1. V-Slot Bench Pin C-Clamp. Crafted from quality hardwood with a sturdy metal clamp, this tool is built for durability and reliability in your workshop. Featuring multiple slots, including a V-slot, it securely supports your metal for intricate sawing and filing tasks. Grooves on the ends provide extra stability for wires and sheets. This portable clamp attaches quickly to almost any workbench or table. Its adjustable clamping distance and non-slip jaws ensure a secure grip for precise work. Perfect for bench work, metalsmithing, jewelry making, and woodworking. It's your go-to tool for drilling, sawing, filing, and finishing diverse materials. With specialized slots on both sides, it's designed for convenience, accommodating both right and left-handed users with ease. What we like. This bench pin is designed with specialized slots to support your metal from all sides, offering excellent stability for intricate sawing and filing. It features an adjustable C-clamp for easy mounting on various work surfaces and is conveniently designed for both right and left-handed users. If you value precision, versatility, and comfort in your detailed metalworking or jewelry tasks, this is the bench pin for you. What people say. Easily supports work for detailed cuts. The wood is nice. And exactly what I needed. Very nice quality, well-made sturdy wood and metal clamp working well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.